everyone, you're welcome to this class and I'll be teaching you how to calculate the area and the perimeter of a square and a rectangle. So here we have find the area of the square and rectangle. This is a square and this is a rectangle. A square has all four sides equal, while a rectangle have two equal lengths and two equal breadths. So for this one, formula for the area of a square is equals to length times breadth. Our length is equals to 7 cm and our breadth is also 7 cm. Therefore, length times breadth, 7 times 7 will give us 49 cm. Therefore, the area of this square is equals to 49 cm. And for our rectangle, we also use the same formula. Area is equal to length times breadth. Our length for the rectangle is 12 cm, while our breadth is 2 cm. 12 times 2 will give us 24 cm. Therefore, the area of this rectangle is equal to 24 cm. So here we have find the perimeter of the square and rectangle. Our square we are given 3 cm and our rectangle we are given 6 cm as length, 4 cm as breadth. So your formula for calculating perimeter for a square is equal to 4 times length of sides. This is the formula for calculating your perimeter for a square. 4 times length of sides. We are given 3 cm as our length of sides. Therefore, every side is 3 cm. So this is equal to 4 times 3 cm, which is our length of sides. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Therefore, the perimeter for this square is equal to 12 cm. And here we have for the rectangle, our perimeter is calculated as 2 times length plus breadth. This is the formula for calculating perimeter of a rectangle. 2 times length plus breadth. So this is equals to 2 times our length is 6 cm plus our breadth is 4 cm. And this is equal to 2 times 6 plus 4 will give us 10 cm. 2 times 10 will give us 20 cm. Therefore, the perimeter for this rectangle is equal to 20 cm. So using the formula for the area and the formula for the perimeter, this is how you calculate your area and perimeter of any square and rectangle. Thank you so much for watching.